Hi guys, so I'm here to teach you the standard 1 unit and the chapter is forest up there. So in last videos I had introduced that in this story we have the six main characters, that is Anu, Rana, Maggie, Wang, Guard and other children. So it is the time of school playground and it's the lunch break. All children are sitting in a circle and facing inwards them, and they all are playing. And then Anu just runs around the circles, and she in her hand he's catching the scarf, and then she is running, and then she drops that scarf behind the Rana, but Rana is not taking the response because he's looking in the sky and he's finding something in the sky, that shadow has made it, some animal shadow has made in the sky with the help of clouds. So Anu has just slapped Rana's, but he's not responding that Rana has not responding that she has slapped in his back. Then the Maggie has shouted and saying that Rana, go now, it's your turn, you just take that scarf and run and just catch the Anu. And then the Wang said that, oh, just stop these all games, come, I will show you and we have lots of fun. Then the Maggie said that, okay, come. Then Rana has also run, and then Rana just looking at the sky and he's showing that, just see that hippopotamus pictures in the sky. Then Anu said, hippo, where it is? Then Maggie again laughing and saying, see, hippo is in the sky. Then Rana is just looking at the another side, another part of the sky. Then he find that cat shadow has made, and then again he just made the sound that meow, cat. Then again Anu said that, where is Rana? Then Rana also, he is just looking, he is pointing towards the giraffe the picture has made in the sky. Then Anu looking intently, means looking like full attention. Yes, he's right, that cloud looks like a giraffe. Then the Anu said that, yes, the Rana is right, the clouds look like a giraffe. Then Wang pointing elsewhere, there's the cat, Rana's right, look. Then Wang said that, you just look that behind the giraffe, it's there a cat. Then just look the right. Then Rana beaming point at another cloud, bear. Then again the Rana is pointing to the another, smiling boldly, and he's pointing towards the another into the sky, another part in the sky, and he's showing that, see, after that find the bear pictures in the cloud. Then all children crowded and around Rana and look intently at clouds. Then all the children are crowding, they are enjoying, and they all are looking at the sky. Then Maggie peering at the same cloud, let's get on with the game. Then said that, looking at something with some difficulties, but let's get the start a game. Then Anu, idea, let's play a new game, spot the animals. Then Anu said, okay, I have an idea, let's play one game like that, like we just start the new game, like we should spot the animals, which animals are found in the sky. Then all said, yeah, let's go, it's a very interesting game. Then children crowded around Rana looking at the sky. Maggie pointing dog, Wang pointing frog. Then after the guard has entered, then guard said, run on, play. Maggie, we are playing. Anu, we are playing, we are spot the animals. Then he said that then the guard said, just run from there because your lunch time is over. Then the Maggie said that we are playing, we are spotting the animals in the sky. And then after the guard said that, animals in the sky, what? When did animals start living in the clouds? Then guard said, are you mad, that animals in the clouds, how it's happened? Then he just think that, from when the animal started living in the clouds? Then Wang, they always lived there. Guard, sit next to Rana, okay, show me a cat. Then Wang said that they always lived there in the sky. Then guard said, okay, just show me the cat. Then all pointing there, just see in the sky, dark grey clouds slip in from other sides. Then the dark clouds, they all just moved quickly, and then the other sides. Guard, surprised. You're right, Cat. How is it that I never saw it before? All laughed, thundered. Grey clouds come closer. Then after the guard was surprised that you are right, but how it is, because it never shows it before. Then the all are laughing, and the thunder vomits came, and then the grey clouds come closer. Then after guard rising run, it's going to rain cats and dogs. Then just said that it's going to rain, just come, and it's going to the rain and cats and dog. Then what happened, just watch the next videos. Thank you till there. I think you have understood the chapter. So for the next information, for the next topic, you just watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.